Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to dry out lion's mane mushrooms. Start by trimming, brushing, and slicing into 1/4 inch pieces to promote even drying. Use a dehydrator set to 95 degrees F 105 degrees F or arrange pieces on a rack for good airflow. Rotate trays or flip pieces for uniform texture. Dry until brittle or leathery depending on use, then cool, pack in jars, and label for storage. Choose a method that fits your time and gear. A dehydrator gives reliable results and faster times, while the oven requires attention and low heat. Air drying is gentle but slower and depends on humidity. Arrange slices in a single layer and ensure airflow under pieces. Check periodically and remove pieces as they reach desired dryness. Store fully cooled mushrooms to prevent condensation and spoilage. If you're finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while prepping mushrooms or hiking for foraging, and it fits into cup holders easily. I use it when collecting wild finds, and it saves time and spills. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Test pieces by snapping. If they shatter, they are ready for long-term storage. If they bend slightly, they are still partially hydrated. Use airtight glass jars or vacuum bags, add a desiccant packet if available, and label with date. Keep jars in a cool, dark place to retain flavor and potency. Rehydrate in warm water, broth, or oil before cooking to recover texture and concentrate flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.